The Shona letters D, Y, W, if spelt phonetically in English, would be J, G, W. They would make the sound Djwu, Djwu. Say it with me. Djwu, Djwu. Adding vowels. Djwa, Djwe, Djwi, Djwo, Djwu, Djwa, Djwa Djwati, Djwe, Djwe Djwe, Djwi, 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 Djwa, Djwe, Djwi, Djwo, Djwu. That's all for today's lesson, but why not check out the Ultimate Shona Learning Pack by Sarura Kids? It'll help you to become conversant in Shona language in just 30 days. Find the link on Sarura Kids' YouTube channel today.